Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Modern Warfare 3 packet burst on PC, and it really doesn't matter if you're using Steam or Battle.net. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to Device Manager. Then on Device Manager, you need to expand this option here, Network Adapters, and depending on your computer, it should be Realtek or Intel Gaming here. So you need to right click on it, go to Properties, then you need to go to Advanced, then you need to scroll down until you see Priority and VLAN here. And what you need to do here is to simply select, make sure this option is selected, priority and VLAN is enabled, right? And after that, you just need to apply the changes, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, then another thing that you need to do here is to reset your internet. And to do so, you need to just open up CMD or command prompt, run as administrator, and then you need to add following commands. So the first one is this one. You need to put the command here. No, why it's not copied. Then another one is netsh winsock reset. And then you need to put ipconfig / flushdns, right? And after that, you need to do another step here. You need to open up settings. Then you need to go to network and internet, advanced network settings, and then network reset and reset network. I'm not going to do that, but you just need to reset now, press reset now, and restart your computer. And after that, the first solution will end, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, you need to, with the second solution, you need to add ports to Modern Warfare 3. And to do so, you just need to open up Windows Defender Firewall, this one, or not this one, Windows Defender Firewall, and Advanced Security. Then select Inbound Rules, add new rule, and then select port, press next, select TCP, and then you need to put this code here for TCP. And then press next, allow connection, and then here you need to just write TCP pod, right? Finish. And then again, you need to add new rule, port, next, UDP, copy UDP code. I will leave these codes in the description of this video below, so you can easily copy and paste it. And then allow connection, and then UDP pod, right? Press finish. And after that, you just need to, after add your ports, you just need to restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem still persists, then I highly suggest you to reset your modem. On your modem, there is a little button that you need to press. Hold it for a few seconds here, or just Google it out, how to reset your particular modem. And then after restart your computer and reset your modem, if these solutions do not work for you, then you need to look if the problem persists or not. But if you apply the first solution and the second solution, the problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.